Hello everyone, welcome back. Let's take a look at question 12 from the STARR test of 2019. It says a coach is ordering shirts for a team. The coach pays a one-time fee of $24. The coach also pays $8 for each shirt ordered. And it asks, which function can be used to find C, the total amount the coach pays in dollars, when K shirts are ordered? So the question is asking for a function. And what does the function do? The function is used to find C from K, from the number of shirts ordered. So we are looking for a function to find C from K. Now, what do we know about function? We know function is a special relationship between X, the input, and Y, the output. And in this question, we are looking for the total cost, the C, based on the number of shirts ordered. So that means if I put an order of K shirts, that's an input, and I need to know the output, the total cost of C. So here K, the number of shirts is our input or our X, and C is the output we want to know. I tell you I want to order K shirts, and I want you to tell me what will be the total cost. Give me the output. And we also know functions have different forms: graph, table, or equation. Actually, we have done similar problems, finding functions on a graph or by table. If you are interested, you can review question 1. You can just look back at question 1 to refresh your memory. Here, we are going to use the equation form, the slope-intercept form of functions. So this form says y equals to mx plus b. This is a function. This is a universal form of function. In this form, m is a slope, or the unit rate of change. Or when you read something like per or each something, that's usually the slope or the m. And b is the intercept. Intercept means the initial value, something you begins with. Okay. Now we are going to review this, this slope-intercept form by examining the question. So as we said just now, we are looking for the total cost, the C. So C is our output. C is our output. Okay, output. All right. And K is the input. I have it here. And the coach pays a one-time fee of $24. That means the total cost will begin with $24. Why? Because, okay, let's write it down. Even if I order 0 shirts, that means the K, number of shirts is 0. I still have to pay $24. That's a one-time fee. That's something the cost begins with 24. And we also know the coach pays $8 for each shirt ordered. So that means each unit costs additional $8. That is the unit rate or the unit rate of change. What does it mean? That means when the number of shirts ordered increase by 1 every time, the total cost will increase by the unit rate, the $8 each time. When K increase from 0 to 1, the total cost will increase by 8. When K increase by another 1, the total cost for 2 shirts will be the $24 one-time fee plus $8 for 1 shirt and plus $8 again for the second shirt. When the number of shirts increase to 3, the total cost will be 24 one-time fee plus $8 for the first shirt, $8 for the second shirt, and $8 for the third shirt. And it goes on and on. So this $8 is the unit rate, the change. That means when the K increased by 1 each time, here the C will increase by 8 each time. Increase by 8. Okay, once we understand this, it's going to be quite easy for us to find out the answer. So let's write down this slope-intercept form, y equals to mx plus b. As we just said, C is the output, C is the y. C is the output, C is the y. So we will going to use C to substitute y. And we know K is the input, K is the input, or K is the X. So we're going to substitute X with K, okay? So we are going to write this formula as C equals to M times K plus B, because we substitute X and Y with K and C. And we know the slope, the rate of change, the slope, or the M is 8. The M is 8. And the initial value, this 24 is our B. So we are going to substitute M with 8 and B with 24. So this formula will look like C equals to, we substitute M with 8, and we substitute this B with 24. So it's gonna be C equals to 8K plus 24. It means the total cost equals to $8 per shirt plus a $24 one-time fee. You can also get this result from here. So when K is 0, the C equals to 24 plus 0 times 8, right? When K is 1, it's 24 plus 1 times 8. When K is 2, C is 24 plus 2 times 8. When K is 3, C is 24 plus 3 times 8. So the formula for this function is C equals to 8K plus 24. And the correct answer is G. Okay, I hope you all understand the function and its slope-intercept form. And that's the solution to this question.